तो टाइम है 12:15। आज की तारीख है 8 दिसंबर 2020 और 8 दिसंबर को है हमारे प्रिय मित्र नेविल शाह एके बावा का हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Oh my God, Baba more birthday.
Baba more
Happy
birthday. So in honor of your birthday, Baba, we are not going to sing happy birthday, but we are going to do Baba is so birthday that.
Yeah. No. Let's sing happy birthday to
birthday
you.
to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday
to you.
you.
Nice.
Happy
Good day.
birthday,
Happy
dear
birthday.
Baba.
Only Kautuk could have come up with that pun.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday. Yeah.
Baba, for you, new
Cheers.
drink today.
New drink, watermelon juice.
Salud. Yes.
Salute.
Cheers.
Salute.
So, Baba's so birthday that he has to write BC after his birth date.
Yeah.
Baba's so birthday that for him World War II was current affairs.
Baba so birthday that when he asked for a pet, his parents were like Tyrannosaurus or Brontosaurus.
Or Baba so birthday that he told Darwin the theory of evolution.
Theory of evolution.
Natural selection.
Correct.
No, and Darwin saw Baba and was like, "Oh, Baba evolves into chimpanzee. Cool."
Baba so birthday when he was born, the earth was flat.
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Good.
Baba is so good that he is the first Rothschild.
Wow.
Let's cut to title.
Hold up.
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set So, a show where we take random interesting, shocking, weird, absurd facts, stats, trivia, and opposite stories, and we talk about it. And today's episode is on the craziest startups ever. I can think of one. That didn't last.
Which?
Oh,
Shit.
Kautuk.
Oh shit. Oh, I forgot it because I didn't get any of my investment back. Straight right off.
Neither did Eduardo Suarez, so it's okay.
Works. You're in good company, Kautuk.
तो बताइए
Okay.
क्या सबसे craziest startup idea है जो तुम लोग ने सुने हैं?
Okay, so I found one which I found was really innovative and very nice. It's called, all right, are you ready for this? It's called I Do, Now I Don't. Okay.
Fair.
And the startup idea is Josh Oppermans was engaged for 3 months when his fiancée left him. He was devastated, a feeling compounded by his attempt to return the ring to the jeweler. They said they'd give him
Oh.
$3,500 for the ring he got for $10,000. That's when he established I Do, Now I Don't. This is like a Craigslist for fine jewelry, and it offers sellers a way to get a fair price for their rings and buyers to get a big discount off retail price. What a fucking great idea. Like, can you imagine the number of people who are stuck because they bought a ring and their fiance was like, sorry boss, मेरे को दूसरा राइट स्वाइप मिला है.
इन लोग ने ना बोला को क्यों मालूम है? क्योंकि इन लोग ने डिसाइड किया होगा अपने गर्लफ्रेंड को प्रपोज करने के लिए विद फ्लावर्स लेके मैरी मी लिखते हैं, मालूम है?
Yeah,
I think that's definitely grounds for rejection of ring.
This is like Varun going with a bouquet of roses to a girl in college once, and
And
but
then
roses
But there are versions of this in India also, right? It's called secondshadi.com. Things like that.
secondshadi.com.
like, yeah,
Whatever.
yeah.
There is no whatever that whatever firsehappy.com or whatever it is called. I don't
Are you
know.
just making up shit or is it actually true?
No.
he's
There
right,
is
he's
one.
right.
I
And
don't
Baba
know the
would
exact
know.
name.
I mean, if you've seen his special, he's talked for 20 minutes about how he got divorced. And now Baba's like, "Chal, secondshadi.com, second special."
No. So it's
Let's
called
go.
something like that.
Baba angel investor है उधर का.
Also, dude, this
but-
Josh Opperman fellow, he must have gone to his
Yeah.
investors and been like, "Do you guys want to invest?" And they're like, "Yes, we do." And they're like, "But do you?"
And then there is another app
Maybe not.
when you propose a startup idea and it doesn't get selected, so you can go there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Vicious.
I invest now. I don't.
But,
Like, what the
by
hell is
the
this
way-
racket that this diamond people are running? मतलब तूने एक महीने पहले एक $10,000 की रिंग खरीदी. Within a month, it's gone down to 3,500.
Yeah.
That's the bullshit that these people
That's
pull
why you
on
need to have.
diamond
That's
rings.
why you need to have authenticity certificate of
GI.
carriage.
गारंटी मिलता है वो मिलता ही
GI
मिलता है when you buy a ring. हाँ.
Okay, no, wait 1 minute. There's this really ridiculous one, and only I could have found it. It's called Just Food for Dogs.
Nice.
Nice.
Okay, now Just Food for Dogs, it caters to your canine companion with 5-star service and gourmet meals. So
For the dog or for you?
for the dog.
Hmm.
So
Gourmet meals
it's
for
like,
dog.
5-star meal मिल रहा है.
Yeah,
कुत्ते को क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है और कुत्ता कैसे खाएगा ऐसे काटे छुरे से like I don't know how the dog is
और
going to
कुत्ता 7 कोर्स मील के लिए रुक रहा कैसे? पहला है.
So this is an amuse bouche.
dude, there's also a company that makes edible shoes, dude.
What?
Yeah, and there's
that's the least of.
no, wait, there's a company that makes edible shoes. There's a company that writes a message on a potato and sends it to somebody.
Yeah.
There's a company that sells products that help you creatively hide alcoholic beverages. Like a flask disguised as a hairbrush and a pouch for holding your liquor. Dude, if you need something like this, you have a problem. It's
You
not-
need
Dude,
it.
if I had
It's
something like this,
anonymous
I wouldn't have
contact.
moved out of my house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe your entire house is disguised for storing alcohol.
Dude,
तो ऐसे
there's
TV
like-
चालू करेगा तो दारू गिरता है तेरे ऊपर. But talking about edible, बाबा तू edible जूते की बात कर रहा है. There's a thing where you get edible panties.
It's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
panty.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Next person.
Edible
for a while,
plates
no?
bhi hai. There's edible plates. So like all the paper plates that go to waste or plastic plates that go to one use. So instead of that, somebody came up with a rice-based paper like a paper plate and glasses. And after you're done, you can eat the cutlery.
Yeah,
Oh,
dude, there's
dude,
some where you can plant it. You can
Yeah.
get it and then you can
You're
plant it.
talking about edible panties. There's a service that is provided. So there's this
Somebody comes
entire.
and eats it for you.
No,
I
no.
don't think that's the thing couples
No,
want.
no. I'm taking
there are
off from
plates,
edible
there are
panties.
plenty
I'm
of-
taking off from edible panties.
It's like, baby,
There's a-
tonight I'm thinking.
You're always taking off edible panties, even if
No,
they're
no.
edible.
No. I'm taking off from.
Also, oh, sorry, Baba, just
So-
1 second. Just to add to this edible panty thing, right? That solves such a big problem, right? Like
Yeah.
the biggest date problem is where the fuck should we go to eat? And right, right. You just don't just
Right, yeah.
the bedroom is where we are going to
Yeah, it's
Ah.
called going downhill.
You know, we were talking about pets, right? Okay, so
Yeah.
there was a product that got a revival in 2012. Okay,
Hmm.
it was successful back in time when Gary Dahl in the 70s. Okay, he came up with this idea after listening to his friends complain about their pets. Okay, so he came up with an idea of a pet rock, the perfect, easy to care for pet.
It's a rock.
Yeah, this craze ended up with a 32-page training manual, detailed care instruction filled with jokes and gags, such as playing dead. It was cheap to produce
None.
because the rocks cost just a penny. Guess how much Dahl ended up making?
Hmm.
Oh
50
shit, this is
million.
gonna be some horrible 50, 50.
5, 15, 50.
But 1 sec, this is nothing. Okay, I 2 stories I have to tell you. One is about edible panties, but before that, I'll tell you about this bizarre thing. I think I've spoken about it in another podcast, but I'll still tell you. There was a guy who put an ad in a paper saying, if you want to learn how to become a millionaire like me, send me a. He put an ad
Nice.
in a paper. So he just said, if you want to become a millionaire like me, send me $1 with a self-postage envelope, and I will tell you the secret. So
Wow.
everyone sent it to him. He just wrote, work hard or come up with schemes like this, and sent it back to all the people who sent it to him.
And people were like, "Thanks, Subrata Roy."
Yeah.
So there's that.
Tara
So on the panty thing, there is an entire fetish universe which wants soiled underwear, okay,
Yeah.
of both genders, of any
Yeah.
gender, right? And
ये
there
क्या
is
डार्क
now
वेब पे तू घूम रहा है बाबा?
अबे भोसड़ी के डार्क वेब नहीं है, डॉक्यूमेंट्री है.
No,
So
also, I love how Baba is saying like there is some people who are into this fetish.
तेरा
Because
browser
there was like if you go
मैं
for an
browser
edible
खोल के
panty
भी
restaurant,
दिखाएगा, browser
like a
history
restaurant,
मैं
It's
browser
like
खोल के भी दिखाएगा,
Zomato
but
वाला
what's
deliver
worse,
कर रहा है edible panties.
no,
हाँ.
no, what's worse than browser खोल के भी दिखाएगा, like this was a document, dude. You've seen how fucking clean I am. There's no way I would be into this. But the thing that is surprising
बंद
is
नहीं पाओ
because people caught on to this, because people caught on to this trend. There is an entire service that anonymously hooks you up with a bio, because you don't want to be constantly
Hawa, it's called a dhobi.
Yeah. The product just got devalued.
Extremely fast.
Guys, I'm
Great
sure
joke.
there are other business ideas that we can do.
No.
Okay, there's
There
one
are.
that I found. There's one that I found called My Fake Relationship, which I don't know. This kind of exists already, but
I love
you select the person of your choice for the number of hours for your event, and they will be provided with your details so that we can organize it with you. So it's for people who want plus ones for their dates and events.
Arey, fuck, there was this
Uh,
WhatsApp forward going around, very similar to this. It was a
Hmm.
WhatsApp forward from Goa, okay, where this
Okay.
guy is like, for hire, perfect Goan boyfriend.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll speak
I
in
saw that ad.
Portuguese, we'll talk about football, play guitar,
Nice.
talk about how immigrants are taking jobs, like literally everything.
So it's a call boy.
No,
It's
no,
basically a call boy.
Kautuk, who was that guy who invented your marry me or not.com or whatever the fuck it was?
Josh Opperman.
मेरे को लग रहा है उसने एक और साइट किया है, वो है Dirty Rotten Flowers.
Hmm.
Basically, the minute you have, if you have a breakup or you're unsure or you want to send it to somebody you hate, you send them. You're not sending them fresh flowers or live flowers. You are sending them flowers which are about to die. So the minute you basically send them the flower, and basically in like whatever, in like, you know, even if you put it in water and all, there's no redemption. It will die in 20 hours or
In
12
that,
hours or something. So it's
Oh God.
That's
Oh,
a
But तेरे
sign.
को पता है ये बहुत बड़ा racket है. Never buy flowers from a traffic signal because a lot of the times
Cemetery से
वो जो
लाते हैं.
हाँ cemetery से लाते हैं वो लोग जाके, like शमशान घाट
This
पे
is a
जाते हैं और
very
जो फूल
popular.
छोड़ता है.
Yeah,
Dude,
Yeah,
very
this I'm
popular.
sorry, this new one is just really bad. It's called Nuticles, okay? Which is
Nuticles.
basically
New
a
testicles.
company. No, it's a kind of, because a lot of animals are spayed, right? Like they're sort of
Oh,
like
wow. So
thing.
there we go.
So that's where it sort of comes from, right? It says because a lot of times their self-esteem drops, so this will do implants in certain body parts of the animal to make the animal feel better and look better and increase the self-esteem of the animal. And the
Wow, dude.
picture on the thing is a lab that's biting a chew toy. How the fuck does this animal have a self-esteem problem?
this is all bullshit that they do with the owners, like your 5-star treatment. There are
Yeah,
massage
yeah.
services. I got this for
Yeah,
a massage
there'll be-
service for my dog. It's like
Yeah,
मैं
yeah.
उसको खुजली करता है वो खुश हो जाता है. उसको 10 मिनट सर पे मैं खुजली करूं, he is the happiest dog in the world. उसको
Yeah.
मसाज, प्रोफेशनल मसाज नहीं चाहिए.
एक
Yeah.
मिनट
He doesn't care.
By the way, there is
एक
an
मिनट, मेरा
entire
कुत्ता
con artist.
वॉक के लिए जा रहा है मर्सिडीज में. आई डोंट
There is
थिंक
an-
वो इससे उतना खुश होगा जितना मसाज से होगा.
there is an entire con artist system that's happening. It's called, you basically reserve a space in heaven. So it's a website where you can buy a space
plot of
in
land.
heaven. No, you can buy a spot for yourself in heaven.
करना
This
बाबा
is-
इधर करना जरा
In
एक वो
heaven.
Please,
करना लोधा वाला
सब
जो
इन्वेस्ट करेंगे हम लोग. हाँ.
लोधा ने उधर एक बिल्डिंग बनाया है. हाँ करना ये.
ये मेरा थोड़ी
बहुत
है.
सस्ता फ्लैट.
है क्या? Oh shit.
हाँ तू बोला ना.
Throw away
How
jokes.
उसका जो गया जी.
हाँ.
No, but you know
Throw away
what I actually wanted to say. See, startups for us right now, right, seems like such a normal thing, right? हर दूसरे दिन कुछ तो startup है. Some of our friends here or there we know have either been people who started it or are working at it. But to same चीज 15-20 साल पहले सोच, right? Ideas that people thought were cuckoo, right? Facebook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, for what it's worth and what it's become right now. जब भी सोचा था, जब भी ये था, who would have imagined what it would fucking blow up and become, right?
Can I
Craigslist.
tell you what is considered to be the first
Startup of
first
all time.
ever startup in the world? It's supposed to be considered that. I mean, people have said that it is. It is Edison General Electric Company. So GE was considered
yeah.
to be the first
Yeah.
startup.
Dude, he was the
Yeah,
he
of
was the
course.
OG Elon Musk.
I think it was the first light up as opposed to the startup. But
Mm,
No,
mm,
so dude,
mm.
at the time, you think there would be that much enthusiasm जो अभी Elon Musk के साथ हो रहा है ना कि
Hmm.
dude, this guy's a fucking pioneer. He's putting us in space and shit like that. उस time पे, I'm pretty sure Edison was that kind of rock star, right? Oh fuck, it was a bulb.
yeah,
Bro,
He used to
हाँ,
have candles
दो
with bulb.
एक टाइम पे लोग खड़े हैं और ऐसे बल्ब दिखा रहा है और वो बल्ब लाइट हो रहा है, पब्लिक का दिमाग घूम रहा है.
फट रहा है, yeah.
लोग ऐसा ऐसा अपनी एडिबल पैंटी स्टेज पे फेंक रहे हैं like yeah
नहीं,
this
अपनी एडिसन पैंटीज.
oh nice
Sorry, Baba. Happy
nice.
birthday.
No, but you know,
that panty lights up my day.
I actually want to talk about Craigslist, right? You guys have
Yeah.
seen Craigslist.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
explain it. What
Yeah.
is Craigslist for those
One
who
of
don't
those
know?
apps
Yeah.
that from the time it started till right now is pretty much the same.
Yeah. The UX is also the same.
It's not
Yeah.
like to abhi kuch bhari balta change ho gaya hai. Craig Newman, the guy who started it, from then till now, it's actually liked for its ugly simplicity, as they call it.
Even Reddit.
Yeah.
Same thing.
You know, like
but
it's
the
not-
thing about Craigslist is now it's also become a place where you can't necessarily trust everything you get on
Yes.
Craigslist, right?
Arey, dude.
Yeah, of
Dude,
course.
dude, sorry to quote someone from an older startup, but when I was in the US, I was using Craigslist a lot to buy because paise nahi the, so I was using Craigslist to buy a lot of like furniture and stuff like that for the house, right? And it worked like a charm. In 2008, it worked like a charm. Like it would be literally, hey, I'm leaving. This TV I'm selling for $10, and you're like, बेंचो टीवी नहीं चल रहा होगा, तू जाके देखेगा टीवी चल रहा है ब्रो.
Fucking
Yeah.
consumerism.
Great
No, but
space
you know
था.
the thing is the people who got most out of it, other than
Was serial
obviously
killers.
yeah, वो तो obviously हुआ बात है.
Dude, like,
Because
you know your
Craigslist-
product is being misused if there is a list on the internet called 7 serial killers from Craigslist.
Craigslist.
This is
Yeah,
a
because
real
My
it
God.
became a place where you can अभी बाबा फर्नीचर ले रहा है,
Hmm.
लेकिन तेको सब कुछ मिलेगा from prostitutes to
Dude, Entourage
Hookups.
में Entourage में याद है तेरे को एक सीन है जिसमें Turtle and Vince have a bet, or no, Turtle and Eric have a bet, and this guy's like, okay, and so they go to Craigslist to look for somebody, and this is a girl who has a fur fetish. You remember this episode in Entourage? Dude, it was on Craigslist, dude. They found somebody on Craigslist who has a fur fetish. It's so
Wow.
weird.
yeah, but it's
Craigslist has everything.
So Craigslist, like I said, not just prostitutes. You'll get bunch of weapons. तेको
Hmm.
घर
Yeah.
मिल रहा है, तेको furniture मिल रहा है, तेको
Original dark web.
Hmm.
yeah, dark web. It's pretty much accessible dark web for normal
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
And the UK, when I was at university, had another version called Gumtree.
Gumtree.
Okay, so Gumtree we would all use it for finding jobs, second hand furniture ये वो. फिर एक time के बाद bro
Yeah.
unfiltered requests आने लग गए. Middle aged British couple looking for dark skinned man or woman. If interested, apply.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
And Varun was like, dark skinned woman? Yes.
ठीक है ऐसा
No,
तो
and Gumtree and all this thing that you're talking about, like
No,
just looking
I'll
for
tell you-
jobs and all. There was also daily jobs that you could do. Like,
exactly
you know-
what I'm getting to a point where I was like, चल ठीक है मैं भी करता हूँ अभी पैसे कमाने. I just gotten fired from a job. ठीक है बीच में. So I was like, fuck क्या करूँ पैसे कमाने. तो मैंने लिखा Bollywood choreographer for hire.
Oh God.
Oh
और
shit.
इतना
मुझे 1.5 घंटे में रिस्पॉन्स आया.
और तू
Dude, one
फिर
second.
मैंने बच्चों को कहो ना प्यार.
One second, Varun.
At 10 pounds an hour, bro, which is
insane.
wow.
Those
Per
kids have now grown up. They're watching Bhag Bini Bhag. And they're like, that's my fucking teacher.
No,
Yeah.
they're watching this
He made
episode.
it.
They're watching this episode and saying, "Holy fuck!"
क्या चूतिया बना है.
क्या चूतिया बना है.
अरे नहीं, उससे तू देखा नहीं है क्या भाग बिनी भाग में क्या डांस किया भाई ने?
हाँ.
अरे
हाँ.
वाह.
फुल बॉलीवुड डांस.
ऑडिशन दे दिया है किजो के लिए.
Okay, so there is a beautiful Indian startup. Okay, it's called Baba. You will love this. Are you ready? And I'm so glad I brought it up on your birthday. It's called antimkriya.com.
Oh.
So
क्या बात कर
it
रहा है?
is book your own cremation. This might seem a little creepy. There is a long list of rituals in perhaps every religion that the deceased family members have to follow before and after cremation. For this, there are also several things to be arranged, right from arranging ambulance, embalming if required, booking priest cremation, etc.
Whoa.
So to ensure that this happens peacefully, Antim Kriya will make this happen.
ब्रो इन लोग को
Nice.
बोल मेरे को फोन करने, ये अपन ने सब मिलके 6 घंटे में निपटा है, क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं ये लोग।
अच्छा तो तू ही है
हाँ,
अंतिम
but they
क्रिया
will
का।
manage to do it in 30 minutes or
नहीं
free.
तो फ्री।
नहीं तो free.
Dude, in this case it might also be,
आपको free
is she
मिलेगी
dead or is
आपकी
she not
मुक्ति.
dead? Is she dead or is she not dead?
नहीं, but
अच्छा,
Baba,
speaking
listen.
of death, हाँ बोला.
No. Before we go into startups, I think it's interesting to also see or know of the process, right? अभी हम लोग सब लोग में से तूने शायद startups के बारे में सबसे ज्यादा देखा है. So what is basic? I mean, I know the basics of how startups come into play. तेरा incubator होता है ये वो, but थोड़ा process के बारे में बता अगर तेरे को मालूम है तो.
So when we were in Mohenjo-daro and digging, no,
The
जो
so
पहला
first
व्हील
tender
आया
for
था,
the
जब
plumbing.
व्हील किसी ने बोला था कि मेरे को व्हील में इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, तो तुम लोग ने क्या किया था?
तभी हम लोग ने उसको जवार बाजरा और चावल दिया था बार्टर में। So
For 10% of your company.
correct. So no, it's actually the process is exactly as intuitive as it is. There's just too many. I think there's too much of a. There's too much red tape that suddenly come around it if you want to get into that $1-2 million plus investment in the first 3-4 months, right? So like there's so many people who've sold businesses for ridiculous amounts because the whole game is a valuation game. It's how much value how much perceived value does your business idea have? So if you actually start off with if you have, first of all, you need an idea that is sellable, not sellable. If it is not sellable, at least it's marketable for you to get your first business. Let's just take the
Valuation.
edtech and let's just take the edtech, the education, entertainment, or education technology sector, which is probably the most booming sector in the startup world today, right? Somebody was like, okay, in some time, Indians are obsessed with education. Indians are obsessed with this. To make it accessible, let's try and start online classes. Let's try to make it easy for literally. There's a new one that's come for toddlers, for like toddlers up to the age of 4 or 5. Why are you giving an online anyway? Sorry. So once you have an idea, you sort of you have to make a business plan. A business plan you take to a possible investor. There are a lot of people who are
when
not.
you don't have your own self funding.
When
Or
you
do
don't have your self-funding,
do some part of it with self-funding and then
if you can do so, the intention is to try and make it with as little debt as you can, right? Like with as little outside investment as you can, simply because then you retain more
control
hold of the company till a certain point
Okay,
when it actually then blows up.
This
right?
happened like 4 days ago. Burger King was not a publicly like Burger King released their IPO. It got 157 times more than what they had planned. So it's 11.7 billion shares for 70,000 crore rupees.
Yeah,
that's how overvalued.
but that's because
company
you're
got.
looking at but that's also because you're looking at things like, for
That's not
example,
a startup.
it's not a startup. It's been in the thing for a while. But for example, one case of mad cow in the US or one simple problem in corn, in the corn industry, that in the cornfield thing that stock will plummet, right? But again, you're talking about an IPO and you're talking about
Dude,
literally the
Yeah.
last state of.
अगर मैकडॉनल्ड्स ने इधर पिज्जा के साथ स्पगेटी डाल के कुछ बनाया ना तो
तो भी
उसका
खाएगा
stock
public.
करेगा. Yeah.
So I think the one, if you don't have money and the idea is really simple and you can create it to a point and start putting it out, like a lot of apps started like that, right? Like a lot of apps were just listed on the app store. People started using it. They were listed for free. People started using it till you could actually then say, okay, we will sort of do it. Like you think about whether it was WhatsApp, whether it was Instagram, whether it was Twitter, whether it was at some point everybody came up with this idea and said, hey, this is why it's going to be a differentiated platform.
Mm.
And once it becomes differentiated and you can put a perceived value to it, saying, look, this is the usage that has happened in 6 months, or this is the value it has currently, this is what it is, people will start to invest, right? And then you have angel investors, or you have like an incubator where an incubator a
Angel
lot of times
investors.
I
is,
mean, if you watch Silicon Valley, you know what an incubator is. Where
yeah, but it's
that is
basically
literally-
if the
It's
four of us
This
have money
lesser
together,
punchlines.
yeah.
if the four of us have money, I mean, if I am a single 10 lakh rupee investor and Varun is a 10 lakh rupee investor, together we can invest 20 lakhs, right? So that's what an incubator does. It puts a lot of people together and also has a lot of startups. So they
But
place their
that's-
bets also.
But sometimes also incubator comes from one person having the money and him being like, you know what, I
Saying
know 6
multiple-
other ideas. I'm
multiple
going to
ideas.
put you under
You are
my
hedging your bets.
incubator. Yeah. I'm going to
Hmm.
put in money everywhere because I see the scope in one of these, two of these, or three of these,
Correct.
or all
You're
of them
hedging your bets across, right?
going up.
That's what it is.
Correct.
So
Dude, also, sorry, Bhavat, one other thing about this is that the investment culture, right? This the VC funding and all this, it's such a crazy thing because they have, for the first time in history, they have unmoored profits from the equation, right? So, for example, Uber has been around for so long, they're in every goddamn country, and they're still not completely profitable. So,
Yeah.
a lot of these things, you're
dude,
pumping in money.
Spotify turned
Spotify made a profit in 2019.
yeah, it
Yeah.
made a profit last year. It's been
So-
around since 2006. That's 13 years.
Exactly, dude.
605,
And the
yeah.
thing is, the weird thing is, this is fully pass in the parcel. So you keep the people who initially invest in these companies, right? They sell it big profit, right? And you keep passing the parcel on until one Chutya is holding it when it goes bust.
Which is what
Yeah.
happened with which is what almost happened with WeWork, right?
Yeah.
WeWork was that, right? Like they, and the thing is, they made those, like you look at Airbnb hardly owns properties. In fact, they just said that okay, we'll start to own properties, and the pandemic hit, or they bought a couple of properties or whatever, and the
they're
pandemic
really
hit, right?
badly hit, in fact.
So but WeWork, for example, decided to buy the properties. So they own the fucking property. And
Yeah.
as a result, what ends up happening, your capital is only so high and nobody's going to equate that for you. So there's
But
a
you
lot
know-
of these things before you get to VC funding.
But I think what has also happened is in this.
Also,
whole-
sorry, Varun, I have to give a caveat. This is just a very simple process, huh, guys. There's a lot of complications
Of course.
when it comes to this.
I
There's
mean, yeah,
just
don't
like,
look at the podcast and
Ah.
start a startup. Aisa
Yeah.
mत-
Yeah.
there's an idea, then there's somebody who will put some money in it. If you don't have the money, then you
And there's a few
prove to that
rounds.
person there is something,
Yeah.
and then they
बाद
will
में- बाद में
take it
Shark Tank
forward
पे
to
जाना
a,
पड़ता है एक बार. Shark
or
Tank
you
पे भी
finally
जाना
get to a VC, which is the end goal.
देखो
right?
शार्क
Like,
टैंक पे
so
जाना
that-
पड़ता है, फिर तू कंपनी बनाता है, फिर मुकेश भाई तेरी कंपनी खरीद लेता है.
Yeah. Dude, you know something? My YouTube.
But there are a lot of people, sorry Kautuk, there are a lot of people, Varun, who do exactly that.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
मेरा टारगेट है 150 मिलियन, मैं कंपनी चालू करेगा, by the
और
time
bounce.
उसका, और bounce, सीधा
Yeah.
bounce. Dude, it's happened with advertising and communication companies.
Dude, have you,
Where
by
I'm
the
like,
way,
तू advertising में कैसा करेगा startup?
do you
Industry है.
do you know the story of John McAfee, the guy who made McAfee?
McAfee.
Yeah,
Antivirus.
The
Antivirus.
antivirus.
dude, that guy sold his fucking company. He became crazy. Like he's a fucking billionaire or something, and he's got just guns and girls, and he's stuck on an island, and he does drugs, and that's about it. He's probably
तो
in jail
Dan
right now.
Bilzerian है क्या?
नहीं वो
Creator.
पागल है. That's it. He's just mad. Like, and he's also the inventor of McAfee. Like, it's crazy.
So there was this one woman in Silicon Valley. Her name was Elizabeth Holmes, and she
Yeah.
started this thing called
Theranos.
Theranos. There's a killer documentary also on it, where essentially she wanted to minimize the time taken for your blood report to come, right? Going to the pathology lab, udhar karo, appointment lo, fir 2 दिन बाद result आएगा. So she had decided to miniaturize the process into this one little, it's a pill-sized fucking thing, bro. Which has a pin, तो उसकी तरह खून ये होगा, and वो अंदर जाके immediate reading करके तेरे को, like it gives you 5 things that you need to get from a report that you go for. Like a blood test के लिए जा रहे तो तेरे को अलग अलग है ना, lipid profile आएगा, तेरा blood sugar आएगा, ये आएगा, वो आएगा. So 5 of these things would come to you instantly. Now at the outset,
Damn.
it seems
But-
like a phenomenal life-changing
Yeah.
idea, right? Anybody would be like, fuck yes, इसमें पैसा डालो. Plus, this woman was very smart,
Charismatic.
very charismatic. good looking, had this allure to her also.
No, and one more thing, Varun, you should mention is that for the longest time, every time she was in public and she spoke in public, she used to
Hmm.
have a deep baritone voice
Yeah.
like this. Okay, and then Varun, just tell me.
And
the
if you
rest
see her, she would dress like Jobs. So her
Yeah.
idol was Steve Jobs. So Steve Jobs, black polo, jeans, no belt, like it's no biggie. वैसे
हाँ.
ये भी
now, huh,
only black में.
now, yeah.
हाँ, बोल कहो तो continue कर.
No, so now what happens is they start doing, so a journalist starts looking into this because if something seems too good to be true, usually it is.
Yeah.
And when this journalist starts digging in, he wrote this book called Bad Blood. You should check it out. And he finds out that all of this was a fucking hoax.
Just and public
Okay.
पैसा डालते जाते.
Oh shit.
All of
Yeah,
this
yeah.
was a hoax.
Dude,
She
there's
had no
congressmen-
technology.
Congressmen supporting the thing. You know, like coming
Dude,
in,
She was,
standing her voice for her
yeah, she
while
was on.
dealing with investors.
She was on Forbes. She was on every
Everywhere.
magazine you could think of, and
Like
it was
बहुत
all a fucking
iconic
hoax.
photo है. She is standing like this with her device.
And also it's revealed in the when he did his investigation, it was found out that even that deep baritone voice was
Was-
False.
false. He used to put it on for
damn.
authority. So sometimes at the end of a day when she was tired, she would start speaking like this again. It was so fucking
So
strange.
many of these, man.
You
there's
need to do a blood test.
that, you know, that guy, Billy McBride, the guy behind the Fire Festival. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen the Fire
Yeah.
Festival
Arey
documentary,
bhai.
right? I mean, that is such a perfect, because there's two. There's one Netflix documentary, then there's another one which is the Hulu documentary.
Hmm.
तो मैं दोनों देखा तो Netflix में उन्होंने पूरा फेस्टिवल दिखाया, right? From the
This is
guys
for
of-
research for Vicky Malhotra, by the way.
yeah,
Yeah.
from what do you call it? Fuck Jerry Productions, right?
Hmm,
Who
hmm.
did the
Right.
This one was Hulu, which focused more on Billy McBride, the person. कि
Hmm.
बचपन से उसने क्या किया. So he had started another like a black card company, like to
Yeah,
make
yeah.
financial payments better and all of that shit.
Yeah.
भारी scam. फिर उसने फायर किया. भारी scam. जेल गया, right? उसके बाद बाहर आने
He's
के
back,
बाद वापस scam करने की कोशिश. They're almost like sociopathic in their behavior after a
Yeah,
point.
you can
कि
manipulate
मैं
public.
चूतिया बना सकता हूँ पब्लिक को तो मैं वो ही करूंगा.
And you know the thing is with these people, it's like there is a type of this startup guy, like, and you've seen him at parties, like this type of startup guy who comes in, great talk. He's like, bro, I'm gonna change the world. I've got an idea. It's like this. It's
So
like
the
that."
first thing to fight when you see a startup guy is, hey, what do? I have a startup.
Yeah,
I have a
startup.
startup. वो
Startup.
R roll कर startup.
It's
In
in the
Startup.
valley.
Indian matchmaking था ना, Indian matchmaking. So one of
Yeah.
the girls in the end goes to meet this
Yeah.
guy. And then there's a video diary of the guy. And the first thing the guy says, my name is whatever, Ritesh, and I have a startup.
Yeah.
The only place that had an accent was the word startup.
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 Yeah.
Correct.
Startup.
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 Dude, I was just reading about this thing where the most number of startups that are extremely successful in the country are by IIT alumni. Okay.
Wow.
Of
Yeah.
course,
So
because just sheer number of public.
no IIT alumni. No. It's also because they know how to make things easy, because it's not other engineering colleges. It's not an engineering thing, is what I'm trying to say. It's
Right.
an IIT thing, because like when you get into IIT, it's that logic, it's that basic thing that you sort of are able to crack. And I think that's what it is. So whether you look at Flipkart, whether you look at Snapdeal, you look at Zomato, all of this. I mean, Infosys is also technically an IIT, ex-IIT का startup only.
Bro, मेरे को सबसे
So-
funniest क्या लगा था मालूम है, मैं कुछ एक रिपोर्ट पढ़ रहा था कोई तो मैगजीन में, जिसमें लिखा था कि आकाश अंबानी has now inherited his startup Jio. 500 million का startup Jio.
Nice. Well
Guys,
done.
sorry, there is an Indian co-working space that's a startup. Kautuk works there a lot. Do you know what the name
अरे ये
of
अपने
this
OML के
company?
बाजू में था ना.
Neville's house.
No,
Yeah.
it is called Cow Works, like COW
Coworks.
works, like that.
Coworks.
Coworks.
But they make it COW and then ORKS.
Wow, we.
Wow.
Cowtooks.
Hey, okay, you gotta listen
Dating
to
apps, dating apps became very. हाँ बोलना. Sorry.
this. This is close to dating app, but it's fucking hilarious. All right, there is a thing. There's a company called Join My Wedding. All right, and what it
Hmm.
does is offer travelers from across the world coming to India to be a part of Indian weddings and experience the lavish cultural celebrations.
No. So
Yes.
सफेद आदमी हम लोग को
Yes.
मिलता है और उन लोग को Indian wedding experience.
And do you know
Exactly.
how they make money? They make money from both parties.
Exactly.
Of course.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This
So
is
that's
another
what it is.
one, dating app, which is called Air Dates.
Mm.
Which is if you're on Air Dates, Fight Club, mein you get single portion friend. Here you get a single portion date. And it's essentially you are going to be together for the duration of the flight. And that's
Oh.
your date.
Oh, that's a
So-
great
Yeah,
idea.
it's Uber pool.
Oh, this is fucking amazing. That's a
Yeah,
great
That's
yeah.
idea.
actually, yeah.
There's one which there's a what's it called? There's a startup, and I know that Varun would really like this for you.
What is it?
It's called Hangover Helpers. Okay, so now here's what
मत बात
happens.
कर भाई हैंगओवर के बारे में, मेरे को अभी भी सोच के कुछ हो रहा है.
So here's what happens. So after I'm just going to read it so that Varun gets PTSD. Okay, here's the situation. You and your friends. You and your friends were up partying all night. Now you're suffering from a horrendous hangover. You're dehydrated and your apartment is trashed. The thought of having to make yourself something to eat and then clean up that colossal mess is too much to handle. So what you call hangover helpers. These two college boys in Boulder, Colorado, help their hungover clients crawl back into the land of the living with as little pain as possible. These guys show up at your house armed with a breakfast burrito and a Gatorade for you. Then they clean every room where the party happened. This includes dishes, pots, pans, recycling all of your beer bottles and stuff like that. If you think that's too crazy, these guys have already been featured in Forbes magazine, CBS on a talk show, and they have as much business to keep them as busy as they need to for like a long time.
Bawa.
You know the saddest part of this whole thing is the saddest part. Okay.
That you would rent them.
No.
Yeah.
I wouldn't, because we have a similar service in our country
It's
that makes you
माँ का हल्दी काढ़ा.
one
No.
the amount
It's
of
called
money
Maushi.
it's called
Maushi.
the Thai that comes to your house
Yes.
to cook and clean. Because
Correct,
I was this person, hungover person yesterday, और मैं ऐसा पड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है. घर कौन साफ किया? दीदी आके साफ करके गई. चाय बना के, नाश्ता बना के, जूस बना के, ये शेक बना के कौन दिया? दीदी नहीं दिया. You know what I mean? It's so sad that the same service
yeah.
Yeah, doesn't get listed in Forbes.
gets
Yeah.
featured on Forbes or either
No, it does. It does.
Yeah.
It does.
Dude, there's a company called Tesla right now. No, but
Wait,
this
wait.
is not.
What?
This
What
is
is that?
not
What is it?
not
What?
that Tesla. This is
Oh.
a Tesla that, and it's in. I think it's Japan or somewhere. So that's why they can actually steal the name. It makes dog PCs. So basically, it's like your dog can actually it's created a scroll that recognizes the dog paw. So kutta jaake can browse through restaurants and actually select what the dog wants.
Man, you know
And
what?
order it home.
This is great.
Only
because
in Japan.
I feel like pets should start pulling their weight, because
Yeah.
we fucking kept this cat in this house and she doesn't do jack shit. Like, at least
Yeah.
like, order Big Basket or something, cat. Like, we need this thing. I fully endorse this.
Yeah, but you don't want to eat cat food for dinner, ना? 15,000
नहीं,
डब्बे
उसको
cat food के आ
उसको
जाएंगे
train
तेरे घर
करेगा
पे.
ना, meaning शेजवान राइस मंगाने के लिए.
Dude, there's
Okay,
okay.
so
So
check this.
I'm just going to quickly run through a couple of really ridiculous ones. Okay, so there's one thing called mobile weddings, where basically you don't want to go to a chapel or a courthouse, they bring it to you. So
Or
it's a
as you
mobile-
call it in 2020 COVID times, wedding.
Yeah.
there's also there's also a service that is a service that says UX testing by moms. So every time you want to launch a website or a website or an app, it
That's
gives
great.
you a series of moms that lets you test this.
No, one
There's
second,
something
wow,
called
wow, 1 second. We can't go forward. This is
Yeah.
outstanding.
Yeah.
it's, of course
Genius.
it is.
Because
Have you,
course.
by the way, if you
Right
haven't,
away.
please stop the podcast and go search for this Ronnie Chang video about moms using computers. It is outstanding. This guy does
It
it.
is fantastic. Matlab, he goes through everything you know and you've seen. It's just that nobody
Dude,
really articulated
dude,
it so
Like his best
perfectly.
joke is, Bawa, his best joke is, Ronnie Chang's best joke is, anywhere a mom clicks, she downloads malware. It's
Yeah.
the Google homepage.
Anywhere.
90% of it is blank space. How did you download this? As fucking gold.
dude,
Yeah.
I don't know if I.
My
I don't know
mom-
if I-
It's called Asian Comedian Destroys America. It's on Netflix. It's
No,
a
and-
great.
No, it's a separate
it's a
video.
great special.
And another
No, it's
thing,
a special.
the thing with moms using tech also is what, right? That they'll call you and they'll tell you, ऐसा हो गया.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
कैसे हुआ? He said, मैंने ऐसा किया और वो हो गया.
Yeah, yeah.
There's no
Dude,
like,
y'all are talking about my mom has gotten confused with the concept of being able to print an email. Okay, so this is what
Yeah.
happened. This is really long ago. So I said, okay, mom, the emails come. I need to go print it. I didn't have a printer at home. So she said, I said, emails. She's like, yeah, but you opened it here. How will you open it there? Because conceptually, a mail can only come to one address, and you don't have access to that address somewhere else. So
yeah, because
it's just-
mom, there is a e-postman who brings it from your email e-box to my e-box.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But no, but also, dude, I don't know
But
if I,
my father is very scared of using the bank का app. He's like, नहीं मैं ऐसी बैंक का app खोलूंगा और पैसा चला जाएगा. मैंने बोला, you know how much effort you have to put in. You have to add a nominee. You have to like वो आधा घंटे के लिए बैंक तुमको रुकाता है. नहीं मेरे को नहीं ट्रस्ट है. मैं अभी भी बैंक से आके पैसे निकालूंगा. It's
उनको
bizarre how
पासबुक
scared they are.
पासबुक पे ठप्पा नहीं मिला ना, उनका दिल नहीं भरता.
yeah.
Yeah, ये
Dude.
हाथ में आया है receipt.
I don't know
Dude.
if I've told this story about my mom, where when she started using the computer, right? She had a diary where she would write step by step what to do. Okay, so she would write like like stuff, basic stuff like hit
Start.
the X to close. Okay, like that kind of stuff. Okay, and when I opened her laptop, I went to I'm looking for Google Chrome. Okay, the app. I'm looking for it. I can't find it. Finally, I see the logo, and below it, the reason I couldn't find it is because she had changed the name. Below Google Chrome, she had changed it to how to view internet. So it was like the most basic instruction, like how to view
Dude.
internet. Okay, got it.
No,
okay.
no, but what this is what they used to teach, no, in NIIT and all, when they used to say
Yeah.
learn how to use a
Yeah.
computer and all.
Yeah.
Dude, okay, I'm just going to run through these. Okay, there's something called invisible boyfriend, where basically, if people
called
are
Ek Tarfa
constantly
Pyar.
asking you, no, constantly dodging questions from friends and relatives, there's an app. So invisible boyfriend is basically a bot which will help you. So it'll call you at times you need it to. It'll send you cute messages. It'll do all of that needs to be done for
Dude,
you
this
to
is
convince people.
something. This is such a Western app. Like in
Yeah,
India,
yeah.
you need an invisible boyfriend that makes your current boyfriend invisible, so that your parents
Yeah.
don't see him. Like
Dude.
disguise your boyfriend as a friend.
Dude, there's an absolutely perfect app made for me. Actually, there's two, but one is an anger room where you can just go and basically
ये जापान में.
Scream.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
no,
Of
not
course.
screen, break things and all. But
अरे but ये startup थोड़ी है.
Oh, that is so much fun.
alibi supplier. It basically creates everything you needed to do. So if you want to tell someone, hey, listen, I was in Pune for something, so I couldn't come. But you can't use it like as a murder thing, okay? But like if you need to.
The people using this app are that ethical कि मैं murder के लिए नहीं use करेगा.
हाँ, नहीं.
Only
No,
white
I think it's one of those. So basically, you tell them that, hey, listen, I'm going somewhere, and because I'm whatever, you just say I'm Pune जा रहा है. So it'll give you everything. It'll give you itinerary. It'll give you maps link. It'll give you.
Okay, so you can tell other folks.
So you can
Yeah.
just basically say, hey, listen, मैं Pune जा रहा है, whatever. So then you have enough evidence also. So ये भी एक
confirm सिर्फ
amazing.
serial killer ही और murderer लोग use कर रहे हैं ये.
Hey, dude, extramarital affair market is huge.
Yeah.
This is full now.
This is my first this was like ये सबसे ज़्यादा use हो रहा है from people who are having affairs. That is what's going to happen. Like
Wow,
it's the
dude.
best. हाँ, what else will people use this for? Who else has the time to invest in? मैं
हाँ.
खुद सोच लेगा.
You
मैं
gotta
खुद
hear
सोच
this.
ले.
You gotta hear this, okay? There's a
Hmm.
fucking startup which sells pure Himalayan air.
Yeah.
Okay,
Dude,
Himalayan
There was another
air.
there was
startup
this-
that
I
tried
don't
to
know if
sell
you
it in
remember.
China. A Canadian startup tried to sell air in China. Like एक
Dude,
डब्बे
what
में
are you
हवा.
talking about? There was an entire fad, and I think two places opened up, one in Delhi and one in Bombay. It
Of
was
course.
called air bars. It was called oxygen bars. So what you would do is you basically had a shot of pure oxygen.
हाँ,
That
so
was the concept.
iska bhi, you know what this is? So this is, they give you, okay, now just tell me if you would buy this, all right? They're
No.
selling you a 10-liter bottle for rupees 550, which provides around 160 shots of inhaling air. So, so
But तू खोलेगा तो निकल जाएगा ना. It's like, but the 160
Wait,
shots are
it's a
gone.
pump or it's an aerosol or what
It's
is it?
aerosol.
It'll be really stupid if it's a bottle like this. It's like, अरे चला गया सारा. Sorry.
ब्रो बॉम्बे का हवा किसी को भी पेनिट्रेट करके अंदर चले जाएगा.
Hey, but dude, can you fucking imagine? Like, you're a serious climber, okay? You have decided that you're going to spend a year training so that you can get to the top of Mount Everest. You start your climb, and then you see people from Himalayan Air filling jars of air in front.
ऐसा
They're not even filling jars. They're just holding a bottle and closing it.
No, they're literally like that.
नहीं
क्या कर रहे हो?
लेकिन-
अरे हवा भर रहा हूँ. 5:30
लेकिन
में
जो-
बेच सकते हैं अपन पागल.
लेकिन जो जार वो लाए ऊपर पहले वो खाली करना पड़ेगा ना. तो वो पहले खाली करेगा.
So he खालीs it here, then he goes somewhere else and fills the air because he's like, अरे इधर mix हो गया अभी.
ये लोग हैं.
And I want to report, like, you know, like, I'll buy the thing and then send a customer feedback saying, मजा नहीं आया, ये थोड़ा कांचनजुंगा वाला लग रहा था.
Okay, so
What a great
I have a list in front of me of the 30th
30th.
top funded startups. This is a
Global.
list from the, नहीं मेरे को सिर्फ यूएस का लिस्ट मिला है, तुम लोग ग्लोबल लिस्ट निकालो. लेकिन इसमें टॉप पे है द वी कंपनी, which is तेरा वो co-working space वाला situation, whose total funding was 22.5 billion.
Billions.
So
Whoa.
WeWork is plummeting, but they're still getting 22.5.
Not anymore, bro. Date of the article. देख.
2020
worth.
लिखा है, bro.
Yeah. So that's the worth. But they genuinely were under serious duress.
So their
Good job.
first, second, which is crazy and also not crazy, is Joule. You guys know the Joule, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the secret. हाँ,
तो
the
इधर बैन
yeah,
कर
correct.
दिया है, और अगर इधर देखो पकड़ा तो 4,000 रुपया भरना पड़ता है पांडु को. ऐसा है.
No, but Jewel is also really popular because it. So they also made it possible for kids, and in America it became a real problem. I don't know if it is still a thing.
It's still a
It still
problem.
It is,
right?
it still is.
Where kids in school are doing flavored Jewel, right? But it's tobacco-less. So they're just
Yeah.
doing like
It's just-
flavored.
But
that's the
but
thing.
it was the shitty vapor, na? They were using the shitty ones, and the vapor was actually collecting in their
No, but
lungs.
I'll tell you the worst thing. When I was doing my tour there, ना, मैं बोला अरे जूल लिया जाए, सिगरेट छोड़ना है, जूल लिया, right? The first thing is the way they have fucking made that product.
Yeah.
Intelligent people who know right from wrong, good from bad will also fall for it. मैंने वो packaging देखा, मैंने ले लिया. Because automatically the thought of no smoke, actual smoke coming out, no carcinogens being used, no
Correct.
tar going in my mouth, and just the act. But I can still do it because the other alternative was your patches, right? That people used to do earlier, tobacco patches. But Joule gives you that thing that satisfies your oral fixation. And more importantly, it looks fucking cool. No, really.
No, it's true, but it's just that.
But it looks like a Pandu blowing a whistle, dude.
No, but tell me one thing. It's even cigarettes. When we were young, your first thing for cigarette is, अरे क्या cool लग रहा है, because there's something ये करके ऐसा
Cigarette in my hand, I felt like a
Like
man.
a man, yeah.
wow हो गया. Same thing with Joule, and they were able to bypass so many of federal laws because उसमें तेरा ये जल रहा नहीं है, वो जल रहा नहीं, whatever.
हाँ.
I saw it, I bought it. I have seen fucking literally every second person I interacted with during that tour, people, friends, family, सब लोग के हाथ में वो जूल था, bro. ऐसा लगता है पेन ड्राइव मुंह में डाला है तूने, because all your other products used to be fat, right? Like your earlier
Yeah.
days.
I
used
mean,
to be
even
so
the
good.
Marlboro e-cigarette which came out, where you
Mm.
just put that thing and sort of do it. It genuinely thing. But guys,
You
don't
know,
smoke.
people who couldn't
No,
afford,
of
people
course,
who
I'm
couldn't,
not.
of course, don't smoke, guys. But people
Nobody
who couldn't
smokes.
afford the Juul at that point, you think वो लोग ऐसे dongle मुंह में डाल के घूम रहे थे just to look cool.
लेकिन विंटर में,
Also,
क्योंकि तू विंटर में ऐसा डोंगल भी मुंह में डालेगा और फिर फू करेगा तो धुआं आएगा.
dude, but you know, one second, I just want to appreciate how Adar was just rushing through his disclaimer to get the punchline in. Yeah, don't
Yeah.
smoke, but listen to the punch.
I have done enough for no smoking campaigns. More than like I'm done. I'm done. Every time like I'm done. I
No,
don't
but you
need
know,
to
like
say anymore.
they got a funding of $15.1 billion, bro.
Bap.
But that's also phased
15.1
funding, right?
billion.
It's
अबे
it's,
फिर
it's
भी यार वो कंपनी क्या थी 2 साल पहले 3 साल पहले जब भी उन लोग शुरू कर रहे थे एंड द बेस्ट वे फॉर देम टू गेट दैट टू शो is you attack kids.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
catch them young because once you've got them hooked, you have them for the rest
Yeah,
of
yeah.
the
But
Catch them young
that's
is
what Apple also did, na? The student discount makes your Apple laptop so cheap. But once you're part of that ecosystem, तू
Yeah.
जब जाके तेरे को job लगेगा, तू जो भी करेगा, you'll aspire to buy the more expensive Apple products. So it is all about like getting that student population. I think they established that way earlier than anybody else.
I mean, even your
Acha, there's
savings
this.
for that, bro.
Acha, and talking about showing off Apple products, because everybody who has an Apple product loves to show it off. There's an app called Blippy that had come in. And Blippy shows off everything for people who like to show shit off. So it connects to your credit card, and every time you swipe your credit card, it broadcasts it to Twitter. So if you're buying some expensive stuff, so it comes out on your Twitter. The company raised $13 million, and it actually got a bunch of users. But in 2010, it leaked credit card numbers on Google, and then the company shut down.
Shocking.
ब्रो ये तो बहुत सारा है ब्रो ऐसा तो कितना सारा problematic places है.
Ugh.
Okay, I
Like,
like
you know,
this. I really
thought-
like this idea.
Yeah.
And this is so apt for India. I wish like we can like make this happen a lot more. So it's a the idea is for a garbage bin that rewards users with free Wi-Fi.
Dude,
This
there's
is there, right?
advertising campaigns that have done stuff like this, dude.
Yeah, no, but it's
Yeah.
necessary because A, it'll make people use garbage bins more, and A,
Mm.
it'll make people have garbage bins more. Because this
Yeah.
country doesn't have garbage bins only. Like the
But
meaning hai hi
correct.
nahi.
But a
And
lot of countries, like if you put in the plastic, you actually get money back. So if you were to put like a Coca-Cola Pearl PET bottle, I don't know, a couple of European countries, I think I saw this in Italy or someplace, where you
Several
put the
places you
bottle
do glass and you get money back. Yeah.
you get euros back. It's
Yeah,
freaking
yeah.
fantastic.
no,
अगर
and
ऐसा करेगा तो पब्लिक पूरा रास्ता स्वच्छ भारत 2 दिन में.
no, correct, exactly. And dude, like अभी वो लोग कुरकुरे के साथ डेटा बेच रहा है. Meaning कुरकुरे के पैकेट में ऐसा 2 GB data free like that ऐसा.
No, but this is
So-
this is the
This is
time
the new thing.
for collaborations, right? You see any
Yeah.
fintech app, all your fintech apps will tie up with so many products. Like I'm not allowed to talk about this one thing. मैं ऊपर से बोलेगा. Like a friend of mine is working on a fintech app that's going to launch at the end of this year. Even in his thing, all his tie-ups are like, for example, because it's a fintech app, right? You buy a product from say
Roma.
Beardo or a Bombay Shaving Company, right? So you get certain points from there. You can use points like your credit, for example, right? Where they have tie-ups with so many things across the board where you can use credit points to avail those.
Right.
No, correct. But I'm saying कि like ये देश में डेटा इतना जरूरत है पब्लिक के लिए कि put it in the garbage bin. तो पब्लिक garbage भी यूज करेगा, गार्बेज फेंकेगा भी इज्जत से एक बिन में, और फिर उधर खड़े होके पबजी भी खेलेगा ताकि फिर अपना फोन उसमें फेंक.
Okay, so I found a list of top 10 Indian apps to get, not apps, but Indian startups to get funding. First one at the top is 197, which is Paytm.
No.
197 is the communication.
How old is this article?
company. Is the 2020.
No, because currently the thing is Flipkart. No, Flipkart's the highest one. It's in billions. No.
Yeah, so ये भी 4.4 billion है, bro.
तो 175 million क्या है?
Killed it.
अरे 197 is the name of the company.
Oh.
That is the that's the company that operates Paytm.
Hmm.
So
Sorry.
they are at 4.4 billion. Next is Ola at 3.8 billion. फिर Oyo Rooms, which is at 3.2 billion. And Oyo Room also is a fucking insane story, dude. I forget the
Yeah.
guy's name. What's the dude's name? But I saw a killer documentary on him. He was covered by one of these video essay guys, Cold Fusion or somebody. And in that I saw the story. Ritesh something his name is, no, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, Ritesh Agarwal.
रितेश अग्रवाल. ये घर पे बैठा था, सोच रहा था क्या करूं. फिर उसने होटल्स देखे, एक होटल को पकड़ा, बोला सुनो मैं इसको बराबर ये करता हूं, मैं करूंगा, तुम्हारा वैसे भी कुछ हो रहा नहीं है, let me try and get you some business. And that one hotel worked really well, so he did two more, three more, and then fucking before you know it, right now it is third, but I'm pretty sure like a year, 2 years ago it was first, because he went from one place in that one hotel in that small place to fucking thousands of hotel across India.
No, and he solved a legit problem, right? Because like I remember like in 2018 when I was touring, it was so easy to book cheap hotels, right? To stay like in for different and the thing is it completely cuts out middlemen and completely cuts out all of these hassles that you have to go through. You literally have to open an app, go like, acha, ठीक है, ये hotel, ये price.
Here are the
बस.
photographs. Yeah.
It was pretty good. Like, yeah, really solved
And
a
so
problem.
in number 4, actually, I'm really excited about this one. There's a company called Renew Power. It's a energy company who's got a funding of 2.8 billion, and they're basically dedicated to renewable energy. So utility scale solar, rooftop solar projects, which I used to always think, कि actually India में क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Why is it not already like a flourishing thing? You know, getting solar roof, for example. I never knew why, but apparently
There's several reasons.
And they are the largest independent renewable energy company in India.
Yeah, there was this plan, no, that was floated. I don't remember by whom, but the basic plan saying that so everybody was complaining about Bombay ka lungs, which is this whole like national park, right? So there was this entire thing, and I think some 3 or 4 people floated an idea saying that if it's so much of a problem, if every terrace in Bombay grows a garden, and 50% of the terrace, only 50%, don't even use your entire terrace space. If you have a terrace in every building, which we all do because there are so many buildings, if every one of them is devotes 50% of that space instead of water tanki and kapda and Tata Sky and carpet.
अरे but water tanki के ऊपर भी बन सकता है सब कुछ, ऐसा कुछ ये नहीं है.
Dude, the fundamental flaw with this idea is कि building secretary कभी चाबी नहीं देता है. तो तू पानी कैसे डालेगा? तो
खत्म. का चाबी नहीं मिलेगा.
सिर्फ साल का 4 महीना जब भी अपने आप पानी गिर रहा है ना, तभी हम 4 महीना वाटर कर सकते हैं.
So everybody was very simple. So and it's a great idea because the minute you do that, you've changed the green. I mean, then every building is green. You know what I'm saying? Like you have green cover across the city.
Guys, so there is one company. Sorry, Kautuk. There's one company जिसको फंडिंग मिला है $934 million का, और आई थिंक उनको बाकी का 66 मिलियन नहीं मिला क्योंकि उनके नाम में एक पन है, और कंपनी का नाम है डिलीवरी.
Oh, nice.
DELIVERY, Delivery.
It's like Dunzo for Delhi.
Services company. तो उनका भी वही है, लास्ट माइल डिलीवरी, पार्सल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, वेयरहाउसिंग, फ्रेट, लॉजिस्टिक्स, क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेक्नोलॉजी सर्विसेज.
Dude, there's so many. I mean, technically even Tinder was a startup, no, at some point. So
yeah. Arey, but listen to this. I really like this idea. Okay, I think it's a great idea. It's called how to tell your child. Okay, now the idea is
about
wait. So exactly. So this is a thing that helps you teach children about awkward topics in a fun and easy way. Like conversations about sexual abuse, challenges,
good touch, bad touch, and all that.
Oh,
right? Yeah,
okay.
So and because
it's a legit proper,
क्योंकि अपने देश में ये बात होता ही नहीं है, right?
Correct.
Because people are like,
But
अरे शर्म आती है तो फिर तेरा child meaning develop ही नहीं होता है.
So is this an Indian app?
Teach your child how to tell your child how to.
But is it an Indian app? No, right?
I don't know. I can't.
Yeah.
No, I think it is.
It really needs to be an Indian app.
It is.
Yeah, of course.
Well, right now the boom in education apps, Byju's, Unacademy, ये वाला
Graphy.
बोल रहा है, Graphy, is insane. Baiju is in the top 10 funded.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
Byju's
Indian team
is
का
huge.
t-shirt पे नाम है तो सवाल.
Talking about there's another training app also, separate places. Like बच्चों के लिए तो होता ही है, but adults also need it. This is one called Vida, which is virtual dating assistants. So these are people who will help you set up your virtual
Basically,
dating
Will
profile.
Smith in Hitch
Yeah.
or Salman in Partner.
This is, yeah, they corporatized it.
Guys, sorry. I have to interrupt because हमने सलमान बोला है.
Hooray!
Oh, we
Number-
should have an alarm that goes off every time we mention Salman.
Being human.
Number 21 in most funded startups
Being
with
strong.
a funding of 297 million is a company called Black Buck.
What does Blackbuck do?
And it's a technology platform for trucking and logistics in India.
Oh, I hope that startup doesn't get shot down.
Nice. So there is another startup called, I love the name. It's Oi Happy.
Oh yeah, I saw this.
I don't know if they say it like that, but it's Oi Happy. And here's the thing: it helps you throw elaborate surprise parties for your family. So if you don't have the time, they have everything from Harley bike rides to candlelight dinners to getting a giant, like a person in a bear costume to come and scare your children.
There's
there's a
wrong
picture.
with people.
There's a picture there where there's a bear and he's doing this, and the children are like, ah!
Is this an Indian app?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called
It's
Oi
called Oi
Happy.
Happy.
Of
You
course.
think,
Oi Happy.
I
It's a
forgot
Czech
to say-
Republic app.
there's an app in
इधर
Thailand.
exotic होगा ये नाम.
There's an app in Thailand that will help you tighten your skin and remove wrinkles in a very unorthodox way. You go there, and for several minutes, a person will come and slap you on
Yeah.
your face.
It's called a slap massage.
It's called a slapping massage, and it's very popular in Thailand. And the results aren't permanent. You'll have to go back to be slapped once your skin becomes saggy again.
Dude, one second. By that logic, every Indian child should have amazing skin.
Yeah.
Because-
But
We
it's
do,
not permanent,
surprisingly.
no. But it's
It's
not
not,
permanent.
but you're
Kaushal.
also getting it every day. So
Yeah.
So here's another app that's another startup that's found a great cause. Right, it's called Feeding India, and it has noticed that food wastage is a huge problem in India. And what it does is it connects people or institutions such as hotels and restaurants with NGOs or volunteers that are engaged in collecting and
Yeah, yeah.
distributing leftover food. Great idea.
There's
Superb
tons of them, dude. There's also someone who turns food waste into edible snacks. So what they're doing is, it's not just so all the wet waste that comes through. So for example, वो ऐसा peels, wheels, ये सब जो भी होता है, they sort of take that, process it, obviously do whatever it needs to be treated, etc., and they turn it into 3D printable edible snacks.
Hmm.
Nice.
So yeah.
You know
Dude,
the guy who founded 5 Hour Energy now, he's an Indian dude staying in the US. So he had a startup sort of a situation few years back, which is because right now, like the richer people who will then eventually start a startup are usually for betterment of civilization, right? Like they want to do something about food wastage, they want to do something about whatever industrial wastage. So he has started this thing because of water. कि पानी clean water बहुत जगहों पे नहीं है. So how do we solve that problem? Where he has this, there's a machine that they have invented which essentially takes seawater, is able to separate the salt from it,
Yeah.
and then on the other end give you pure drinkable water.
Hmm.
Mm.
They do that. I mean, they're on the space station, on the International Space Station.
Yeah.
Essentially, astronauts are drinking their own.
Dude, they're trying
Yeah,
to do this
essentially
they're trying to
drinking
do
their
this
own
in the Middle East, right? Because desalination plants is sort of what they're called.
Yeah.
They're genuinely trying to make this work in that. You know what? Sorry, just to sort of like almost like we're coming towards the end anyway. So I was just thinking like we should talk about like startups that failed, dude.
Hmm.
No,
Yeah.
but there is gazillion ones यार, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ चूतिया होगा, अगर ये स्टार्टअप है कि वो तेरे को स्टार्टअप आइडिया देता है और वो फेल हो
No, but
Dude, that's the most meta startup idea that exists, right?
Yeah.
I'll give you let's write a sketch about writing a sketch.
yeah.
Bava,
At some point, every comedian has said that. Yes.
there was this one startup that was featured on Dragon's Den, and I thought it was a great idea, and it changed my perspective. I didn't know that this was a thing. So it's called Approved Food. Okay, and they didn't get funding, and the idea of this startup was that they would resell food that had gone past the best before date.
Hmm.
Okay, so now there are two dates, right? There's a best before and there's a use by. Use by, if you sell anything that's past the use by, it's criminal. It's a criminal offense. But best before, yeah, best before is like, it's not the best, but it's fine. And a lot of people were just throwing away food, going like, "Arey, it's past the best before," right? So fuck it, nikalo isko, right? So it's not expiry; it's just best before. And they used to collect all of this food, sell it at a discount. So you would, so the retailers are selling it at a premium. These guys would collect it, make a profit, sell it at a reasonable price, and it's made like $1 million, dude. It's crazy. It's completely worked. What a great idea. I think we need that for India. If someone is listening to this, do it.
Dude, already we eat it, stale food only, so it's fine.
हाँ, meaning मैं तो
हम लोग
Chinese
को
3
आदत
दिन
है।
खाता हूँ बाद में, meaning
और वो चाइनीज वैसे तेरे घर पे आने के पहले 5 दिन पहले बना था, वो तो 8 दिन चलता है।
and
आज मेरी मॉम मेरे लिए चाइनीज मोमो लेके आई, तो मम्मी ने पूछा है कैसा है चाइनीज मोमो, मैं खाया, it was just a momo with some Szechuan noodles inside it. That was Chinese momo.
Can I tell you something? Chinese food doesn't have a best before, it has a best after. Because every day after you order it, it gets tastier and tastier. It's a fucking magic.
Slowly scraping the insides of your intestine.
Arey, but that's the fun part.
असली शेजवान तो वहां से निकलता है।
Exactly.
Yeah.
Guys, you all remember Napster?
Yeah.
Of course.
Napster.
Yeah.
Dude,
Justin Timberlake founded it.
Bro, actually, when we were speaking about apps the last time, right? One thing I forgot to mention, this Dunzo and VFast.
Arey bhai sahab.
And they're like,
Swiggy Genie.
Rush, wo Genie. Bro, fucking life savers.
Yeah, very good.
Dude, you know how I heard?
Just to think of how that idea came about and how many times अपन किधर चले गए, अरे यार shit, मैं ये भूल गया.
So this started really in Bangalore, right?
Drop करने के लिए. Rush, it was called Rush.
Dunzo started in Bangalore, right? I'll tell you the story, okay? I was at a client meeting in Bangalore. My colleague from the Bangalore office came to the client's office as well, and Bangalore traffic plus distance is equal to death. So at what point she had forgotten her charger in the office for the laptop, and she was going to go home straight from here. Okay, so I was like, shit, तेरा तो अब तेरे को वापस जाना. She's like, no bro, I'll just Dunzo it. मैंने बोला, what does this mean? Then she told me, this guy will go to office, someone will give him my charger and he will bring it here.
Yeah.
मैंने बोला, why is this not there anywhere else in the world and has not been there forever?
Wait, it's a very simple answer. No, Baba, it's
No,
not
it
there
wasn't.
anywhere else in the world because India's
Public.
main resource is our population.
No. I
And
also
they're
meant, why
harnessing.
has it not been invented in India earlier? Like, how is this not a...
No, it
Like, I
was.
mean, earlier it was
Because
just go
people
and
had
get
their
it.
own Man Fridays. People
Yeah,
used to have their own Man Fridays, and this culture of the
Put on
corporate
film sets.
person.
No,
didn't come in.
I'll tell you a story, okay, which happened to my friend. So my friend Mir forgot his wallet in my house. और वो घर चले गया. वो रहता है जू में. और उसके बाद निकलना हुआ ही नहीं. He was going to do Diwali shopping, ठीक है? तो वो जू से निकल के बैंड्रा चले गया. Upon reaching the store, he realized, oh fuck, मेरे पास तो पैसे नहीं है. मेरा वॉलेट तो वरुण के घर पे है. उसके घर पे भी कोई नहीं है. And he's like, balls, I'm not going back home, getting money, coming back. Guess what he did?
Google
And
Pay.
that store wasn't taking Google Pay and no card, only cash.
Dunzoed it.
So he went on to Dunzo. उसने Dunzo में pickup address दिखाया, वो दुकान का नाम. जो भी amount of money was required, 800 रुपया है, जो भी, right? और उसने drop address भी लिखा है उधर ही. So this Dunzo dude or VFast dude has shown up. he has taken the product from the guy, from the store, given that guy money, then turned around and given the thing to my friend Mihir, who's taken it and he has paid Dunzo through the app. Khatam.
Oh shit!
This was by far the most ingenious thing I heard. I'm like, bro, तूने सोचा कैसे ये? Think about it, bro. Shop
वो
only
डंजो
takes
वाला
that.
तो जाके खरीदेगा, करेक्ट.
अबे हाँ, और डंजो वाले को उसके इसका तो पैसा मिल रहा है ना. He's
Correct.
Yeah.
still getting money to do his whatever service charge, whatever it is. He's still
Dude,
getting it.
and by the way, what a good day for that Dunzo guy. क्योंकि he's like, एक second delivery इधर है?
They and how, bro? He told me.
ट्रैफिक
Sir.
में नहीं जाना?
नहीं, I would love the Dunzo guy going like, सर आप भी अपना हाथ आगे करके ले सकते थे. I don't know why. सर ये कर सकते हो आप.
Dude, he was so confused. He has never. He's like, bro. When the Dunzo guy came, he was so. I've never seen a more confused person. So ये करके ये किया और सब लोग खुश है इसमें.
सब लोग ताली वाले मार रहे
माँ वो स्टोर ओनर भी.
Store owner अपना
That
सब
slow
लोग
clap.
क्या
This
चल
is
रहा
a
है?
Dunzo ad. This is clearly a Dunzo ad. This could be done as a very cool
I don't
Dunzo.
think they want to encourage this shit.
Dude, in
मालूम
this
पड़ा
country,
सब लोग ऐसे. ऐप का नाम बदल के पासिंग द पार्सल रखना पड़ेगा.
No, it'll also become a hawala system.
no, dude, like the people in this country will call these guys just to chit chat. Like, हाँ भाई क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में?
Yeah, guys, please don't do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, please.
The first time I saw Dunzo was in Bangalore 4 years
Yeah.
ago, where my friends, dude, we were sitting playing the PS, okay, and he's like, "Chal kuch khate hain." I was like, "Okay." He's like, "Let's order some," and like he didn't wanna, he wanted chips, so I was like, "Okay, I'll go down and get it." He's like, "No, you don't go down to get it," and he goes on his mobile.
What are you,
phone.
a young, able-bodied man?
Exactly. So
See?
yeah, tap करता है अपने phone पे, and then 15 minutes later, dude, bell has rung. Okay, and he like, I get up, I open the door, and a man is standing with chips.
But
Yeah.
dude, why can't you
And he's
just
like,
call
"Sir,
the shop
chips."
and say deliver it? Why do you have to Dunzo
No,
it?
but you know what?
Because
this is
Bangalore.
this is not a paid thing, guys. But shout
Yeah.
out to the Dunzo, VFast, Genie, and other apps such as this.
Yeah,
Because
yeah, yeah.
during the pandemic, those guys have literally been our biggest saviors. देखो किधर
Yeah.
जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है. ये सब आदमी लोग, not just these guys, even your Zomato, Swiggy guys, everybody
Yeah.
in the service industry who's actually gone out so that you don't have to go. Thank you.
Go out.
Mm.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Seriously.
genuinely. It's been a lifesaver.
इसलिए जब तुम लोगों को फंडिंग मिलता है ना, अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है.
Hmm.
अभी हम लोग को भी पैसे दो. चल
So-
सही है.
Superb. But
Great.
just one last thing about like just a point of like, you know, the good thing about these apps, and in a way maybe also the bad thing is, right, like these apps and these startups, they're looking for any opportunity to remove any slightest inconvenience, right? Like the startup guys are basically going like कि मेरे life में वो एक छोटी सी भी प्रॉब्लम क्या है जो मैं एलिमिनेट कर
There
सकता
will be one back scratching
हूँ?
app
बैक
for
स्क्रैचर
No, एक
for
में there's
sure.
actually a back scratcher which is a लकड़ी with
yeah
चार
yeah
उंगली
yeah
ऐसे जो तू ऐसा
Yeah,
जा
yeah, but
सकता है.
अरे I don't want to do this, so I will get
Yeah.
a dada
तो
to come
तू
and do
डंजो
this.
को फोन कर.
Exactly,
Ah, okay.
exactly.
But hey, na, there is a massage like that technically is the Urban Clap app where a person will come to your house and
Yeah.
give you a massage wherever, like you want a foot massage, you want a neck massage. It's
I
there
like other
technically.
starts with Urban Clap guy will come home, give you a massage wherever you want. Like
there's
on
like-
your back.
No, this is not right.
And the point I'm making is that you will never reach a point of complete convenience, right? Because the only complete convenience is death. So until then, you will always find something or the other.
उसके लिए भी एक स्टार्टअप है, उसको बोलते हैं
App
सुपारी.
है.
उसको-
Yeah, Supari, correct.
किसी ने
no
सुपारी
and also the after death is also there. It's Antim Sanskar.
All of it is there, right?
Sanskar app is also there.
And then you can buy a plot of land also in heaven. So
Yeah,
amazing.
and if
All
my
of it is-
and if my startup idea of deleting all your social media apps with one password happens, then that also is there.
Superb. Now the only thing left is for us to make an app which gets 4 dudes from Dunzo to come and do this podcast.
Yeah, that'll be the best.
Why do they need to come? They can do it
Remotely.
अपने घर से, remotely.
सर क्या करना है? हाँ, podcast. ठीक है, टॉपिक भाग भी नहीं भाग.
बात भी नहीं. वो देख के भी आएगा रास्ते में, वो देख के आ रहा है पूरा. हाँ सब देख लिया मैंने, सब एपिसोड देखा. Okay, only Varun Thakur scenes. We'll talk about only Varun Thakur scenes.
If someone makes an app like this, please let us know. It'll be
Yeah.
amazing.
चलो, I think it's enough for this episode. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं edible panty खाने. See you guys.
Chalo.
Pineapple
Bye.
flavor.
सही है. On that note, that's the end of this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing startups, the successful ones, the failed ones, and just the whole process behind startups. If there's some we missed out on, let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody to subscribe to the channel and watch the podcast. And yeah, watch Bhag
Discord, Reddit, वो सब
Discord,
देख लो.
Reddit. हाँ guys, अभी memes बना. हम लोग एक टाइम में बैठ के देखेंगे ना कि क्या तुम लोग ने भाग भी नहीं भाग के memes बनाए हैं.
मेरे मस्त बना है 2-3 रोड.
मैंने भी देखा है, 2-3 अच्छा है.
ठीक है. चलो. Bye guys.
Salamesh, happy birthday to Baba again.
अरे
Thank
क्या
you,
बात
sir.
है बाबा.
Baba's so old that he's going to now switch off his typewriter.